In this video, I'll take you on a tour of the brand new features in Ashampoo WinOptimizer Pro 29, designed to make your system faster, safer, and more efficient. First up, the all-new Software Updater. This keeps every program on your system up to date automatically. Then there's the revamped Privacy Manager 2, giving you even better control over your data privacy. And check this out. Tweaking 2 has been completely overhauled with a new technical foundation and fresh tweaks for you. But wait, there's more. I'll also show you the core cleaning features to get your PC running like new again. So stick around, it's going to be exciting. One of the standout new features is the Software Updater. It scans and analyzes your installed apps for available updates and automatically protects you by excluding security-critical components from updates. As soon as you open it, it starts hunting for outdated programs. The result? A clear overview of all outdated apps, complete with the latest versions available. Pro tip: outdated software can have security vulnerabilities, so always keep everything updated. In the More Functions section, you've got extra flexibility. Ignore selected updates, either just this once or permanently for future updates. Check update details and even download updates first before installing them. Hit the Ignored Updates button to bring ignored programs back into the update process. Just select them from the list and click Remove to take them off the Ignore list. All changes take effect immediately after you hit Reload. Alright, let's give it a try. I'll pick the updates I want and click Update to start the process. Next, let's look at the Optimizable Settings tile. This replaces the old Unnecessary Active Services tile and now offers up to twice as many system settings to tweak, depending on your setup. I'll start the analysis. Then switch to the Optimizable Settings tile. Here's what's new. Right-click any suggestion and select Ignore this suggestion in the future to permanently skip it. Re-add ignored suggestions back into the optimization list if you change your mind. Use the arrow button to return to the home page. All your settings will now be applied every time you start an optimization. Before we move on, let's check out the new Extended tile. You'll need to run an analysis first, or have one already running, to make changes here. This tile lists data that can be deleted, automatically selected for you. This includes file usage, Windows subsystems temp files. Deleting these resets the data. Delivery optimization related files. Windows update files. Click on a category to see more details. In my example, I'll go with the default suggestions. Again, the arrow button takes me back to the home page, where I'll start the optimization before diving into more new features. Next up, Privacy Manager 2. This module has been completely revised, expanded with new configuration options, and is now named Privacy Manager 2. You can find it under All Modules. Adjust the view so that the module names, not the properties, are visible. Privacy Manager 2 gives you better control over your data. Decide what data Windows sends to Microsoft. Adjust system settings for extra privacy. Here are some of the new options. Restrict Windows search to local only, no web suggestions. You might know this as Disable Web Search. Perform searches only locally and don't show web suggestions. You can also disable the Microsoft Copilot here. As an additional option, you can prevent apps from being retrieved from the Microsoft Store when using the Open With feature, as you may know from File Explorer. For my demo, I'll select Use Safe Settings and hit Apply. Done. My system's privacy is now locked down. I now present to you the revamped Tweaking 2 module. This module has also been completely redesigned, equipped with modern technology, and is now named Tweaking 2. I'll show you 3 new tweaks for Windows 11. Head to Windows 11 and select the new Performance tab. Here's what's new. Disable background apps. Stops Microsoft Store apps from running invisibly in the background. Turn off daily system maintenance. This one noticeably boosts performance. Throttle background processes for better performance or battery life. Disable power throttling. I'll apply these settings to my system now. But let's not forget the classic optimization options. As usual, from the home page, after running an analysis, you can optimize your system in one click with the Optimize button, just like I showed you at the start. In addition to the new features, I would also like to discuss the existing optimization options in this video. Live Tuner speeds up your system startup. Auto Cleaner automatically deletes temp files and browser traces. Custom Clean lets you set individual cleaning preferences. Profile Booster tailors your system to your usage, like work and office for productivity or gaming for max performance. The Clean feature removes unnecessary data from your system. The scan starts immediately and covers Internet Cleaner wipes browser traces. Registry Optimizer 2 cleans up the registry. Drive Cleaner frees up disk space by removing junk files. Privacy Traces Cleaner erases usage traces from your system. Hit Delete Now to remove them, and if you change your mind, you can restore deleted data from backups. With the Optimize function, you can enhance the boot process and manually adjust the startup entries. Additionally, you can defragment your hard drive here, provided it is not an SSD. We do not recommend defragmenting an SSD. Important privacy settings can also be configured here. By selecting Show Details, you will access the newly introduced Privacy Manager 2, where comprehensive privacy settings are available. WinOptimizer Pro 29 packs over 33 features to optimize your system in every way possible. I've covered some of these in other videos. Check the links in the description below. And that's it for today's deep dive into WinOptimizer Pro 29's new features. With WinOptimizer, you don't just get transparency, you unlock your system's full potential. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our content. We've always got the best videos on all kinds of software. Catch you later. See you next time.